Namaste. I am Dr. Mahesh Pillai, Ayurveda Hotel Selector Half. Welcome to our channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's really close to my heart: mindful eating. As an Ayurvedic physician, I have seen firsthand the impact that mindful eating can have on our overall well being. So, let's dive in. In Ayurveda, we talk about something called Agni. Agni is our digestive fire, and it's responsible for transforming the food we eat into energy and nourishment. When our Agni is balanced, we feel energized, focused, and overall really good. But when our Agni is imbalanced, we might experience digestive issues, fatigue, and mental fogginess. So, how do we ignite our Agni? One of the most powerful ways is through mindful eating. Mindful eating is all about slowing down, savoring our food, and really experiencing the sensations of eating. When we eat mindfully, we are not just nourishing our bodies, we are also nourishing our minds and spirits. How can you start eating more mindfully? Here are some few tips from my side. Eat with intention. Before you start eating, take a moment to reflect on the food, when it came from, and the people who prepared it. The second one is savor each bite. Eat slowly and really pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. And the third one is eliminate distractions. Turn off the TV first, put away your phone, and eat in a distraction free environment. And the fourth one is listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues and stop eating when you are satisfied. Fifth one is make mealtime sacred. Create a peaceful atmosphere during meals using candles, flowers, or soothing music to set the tone. Here at Ayurveda Hotel Selector Half, we are passionate about helping our guests ignite their Agni through mindful eating. Our chefs prepare delicious, real Indian Ayurveda meals and locally sourced meals that nourish both body and soul. And we offer a range of programs and workshops to help you cultivate mindful eating habits that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. Remember, mindful eating is a journey, not a destination. Start with small steps and see how it transforms your relationship with food and your body. Until next time, stay mindful and keep shining. Signing off, Dr. Mahesh Pillai, Ayurveda Hotel Selector Half.